So this is very simple tutorial how you can use Screen Studio on your computer. So firstly, this is the recording panel. Here you can customize your recording. You can set here the camera. If you click here, choose the camera. You can change microphone here and also set here the system audio. If you want to, you can record system audio of all apps or selected apps. You can also choose don't record system audio. On the left side of this panel, you can select the layout of capturing screen. You can capture full display, selected window, or selected area. You have also option to record your device, but it should be connected with the cable to your computer. If you click on settings, you can, for example, set here recording countdown, and here are some additional settings. Now I'm going to show you how to record. If I want to, for example, capture full screen, click on display option and you have to start recording. So now I'm capturing my whole display. This is the widget which will be visible when you are capturing. Here you can turn the capturing off, you can stop it and restart the capturing. So once you are done, you can finish your capture. And now you are in your Screen Studio editor. So let me go through one by one. Here is the background and screen. You can choose here the background. I like the background color, but you can also set the wallpaper, some gradient wallpaper, or also your own image. So you have here all wallpapers available across macOS, spring, sunset, radiant, etc. If you go down, you can add here some padding. You can round your corners. And here is also the inset option. It's like this, but I'm not using it. And also you can add here some shadow. Now go to your cursor area. You can change the cursor size, cursor style, some additional settings, hide cursor if not moving. You can also hide your cursor absolutely. Here's the click effect, click sound, rotation. Next area is your camera. You can select here the camera position across your screen. You can change the camera size and camera roundness. Here is also the camera shape. If you want to change it, I like the square. There is also option to mirror your camera, but if you want to disable camera, you can do it here. Next one is captions area, and here you can generate your transcript of your voiceover. You can select here the language available. Next, you can set up here the audio. There is available some background music, and here you can change the screen animation style, only the focus or smooth. Here is also the preview. Also the cursor animation style. Now I'm gonna show you how to add the zoom to your recording. So if you move your mouse cursor down to your timeline, you can add here this purple thing, and this is the actual zoom. So if you, for example, move your timeline, and once it's zoomed in, it's gonna follow your mouse cursor. You can set here the zoom level. If you are not satisfied, you can zoom it out. And it works like this. On the start, it's gonna zoom in. It's very clear animation. And at the end, it's gonna zoom out. You can also change here the ratio. Here is the crop. You can add here the mask, sensitive data mask. You can blur any selected area. And if you want to, you can also highlight selected area. So it's a very useful feature when you want to highlight something. It's also compatible with zooms, so if you are zooming in, the highlighted area will stay on its place. You can also save your presets here. You can create new presets and name it and change between them if you want to. And the last thing to do is to export. And here are the settings how you can export. Frame rate, you can select the GIF or MP4. The resolution 4K is the maximum. You can export it to clipboard, you can make a shareable link, and if you are ready, you can export it here. And that's how you can use your Screen Studio. Overall, I like this program. Only disadvantage for me is that you cannot add multiple masks at once. So this is the one thing what developers should add. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.